As a project management professional, I approach every task with a focus on efficiency, clarity, and successful delivery. Transferring funds from a Wise account to a Nigerian bank account, while seemingly straightforward, requires a structured approach to ensure a smooth and accurate transaction. Let's break down this process into manageable stages, like a well-defined project plan, to demystify the steps and provide a clear guide. Project initiation. Understanding the scope and requirements. Before diving into the transfer process, it's crucial to understand the project's scope. This involves identifying the key requirements, such as the amount to be transferred, the recipient's bank details, and any applicable fees. This initial phase is akin to defining the project charter, setting the stage for a successful outcome. Work breakdown structure, step-by-step transfer process. Like creating a work breakdown structure, WBS, to break down a large project into smaller, manageable tasks, we'll dissect the transfer process into distinct steps. Log in and access your Wise account. This is the project's starting point. Access your Wise account via the website or mobile app using your login credentials. Ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for enhanced security, a crucial aspect of risk mitigation in any project. Initiate a new transfer. Locate the Send Money or Send button within your Wise dashboard. This action triggers the commencement of the transfer process, similar to initiating a new phase in a project. Specify the transfer amount and currency. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select the currency you're sending from, e.g., GBP, USD, Euro, and the destination currency, NGN, Nigerian Naira. Wise will display the real exchange rate and any associated fees, providing transparency and clarity, akin to a project budget. Provide recipient's bank details. This step requires meticulous attention to detail. Accuracy is paramount, as incorrect bank details can lead to transfer failures and delays. You'll need the recipient's bank name, e.g., Guarantee Trust Bank, First Bank of Nigeria, account number, account holder's name, as it appears on their bank account. It is very important to double-check all information provided. Select transfer type and speed. Wise typically offers various transfer speeds, each with different processing times and fees. Choose the option that best suits your needs, considering the urgency of the transfer. This step involves risk assessment, weighing the trade-off between speed and cost, a common project management decision. Review and confirm the transfer. Before finalizing the transfer, carefully review all the details, including the amount, recipient's bank details, exchange rate, and fees. This is the quality assurance phase, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Confirm the transfer. Track the transfer. Wise provides a tracking feature that allows you to monitor the progress of your transfer. This feature provides real-time updates, similar to project progress reports, keeping you informed of the transfer status. This is a very important part of the process. Recipient confirmation. Once the transfer is completed, notify the recipient to confirm receipt of the funds. This is the completion of the project, and confirmation is needed. Project execution. Key considerations and best practices. Like executing a project plan, several factors contribute to a successful transfer. Accuracy of bank details. Double-check the recipient's bank details to avoid errors. Incorrect details can lead to transfer failures, delays, and potential financial losses. This is a critical risk mitigation strategy. Exchange rate fluctuations. Be aware that exchange rates fluctuate, which can affect the final amount received by the recipient. Consider the timing of your transfer to take advantage of favorable exchange rates. This is a factor of market risk that must be considered. Transfer limits and fees. Wise may have transfer limits, depending on your account verification status and the destination country. Familiarize yourself with any applicable fees to ensure transparency and avoid unexpected charges. This is budget and constraint management. Verification requirements. Wise may require additional verification documents, especially for large transfers. Ensure your account is fully verified to avoid delays. This is a compliance requirement. Internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is essential for a smooth transfer process. Avoid transferring funds on unreliable networks to prevent interruptions. This is a resource management issue. Recipient bank processing times. Nigerian banks have their own processing times, which can affect when the recipient receives the funds. Factor in potential delays when estimating the arrival time of the transfer. This is a stakeholder expectation management issue. Project monitoring and control. Troubleshooting and issue resolution. Like monitoring project progress and addressing issues, it's essential to be prepared for potential challenges. Transfer delays. If your transfer is delayed, contact WISE support for assistance. Provide them with the transfer details and tracking number. This is issue resolution. Transfer failures. If your transfer fails, check the error message for details. Common causes include incorrect bank details, insufficient funds, or account verification issues. This is root cause analysis. Currency conversion issues. If you encounter discrepancies in the currency conversion, contact WISE support for clarification. They can provide detailed information about the exchange rate used. This is a communication issue. Account security concerns. If you notice any suspicious activity on your WISE account, immediately change your password and contact WISE support. This is a crucial security measure. Project closure. Ensuring successful delivery and lessons learned. Like closing a project, we need to ensure the transfer is successfully completed and document any lessons learned. Recipient confirmation. Confirm with the recipient that they have received the funds. This is the acceptance of the deliverable. Record keeping. Keep a record of the transfer details, including the amount, date, recipient's bank details, and transfer reference number. This is documentation. Feedback and improvement. If you encountered any issues during the transfer process, provide feedback to WISE support. This can help them improve their services and prevent future problems. This is a process improvement activity. A structured approach to international transfers. Transferring money from a WISE account to a Nigerian bank account, while seemingly a simple task, benefits greatly from a structured project management approach. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, paying close attention to detail, and anticipating potential challenges, you can ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Remember, accuracy, transparency, and clear communication are key to achieving a positive outcome. By following these guidelines, you can confidently navigate the complexities of international money transfers and ensure your funds reach their destination safely and efficiently. Just like a well-managed project, a well-executed WISE transfer results in successful delivery and satisfied stakeholders.